Please, if you love this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. So the entry that I took on USDJPY, the first entry was a double bottom continuation setup where I was expecting a continuation bottom to the highs, but then the market did give me a confirmation. The market did give me a confirmation. After I took my entry, the market dropped and then took out my stop. My risk reward target was about 1 is to 5 risk reward, but then the market took out my stop. After it took out my stop, I actually got a new setup which I call the invalidity button, where the market will create a high and then a low, another high, another low, will grab liquidity, invalidate the structure, and then pull back and then reverse the entire trend to the downside. This is how I catch the market from the very topmost to the bottom of the entire trend on the daily time frame. So I got the setup very early. I think in the pre-London session. So I took the entry over here. I placed my stop at the beginning at this level at 157 157.770 zone. But then after the market dropped a little bit, I adjusted my stop. I don't know why I adjusted my stop to this supply zone because I thought that the market will uh, break this supply zone, retest it, and then continue dropping to the downside. So I moved my stop above the supply zone instead of the previous level. So I moved my stop above the supply zone like this. The market then took me out and then started dropping down in my favor. So the lesson I've learned from this trade that I should just allow the trade to play out, and maybe if I get a pullback later in the day, then I will just add another position and then move my stop loss to the next low. So please don't forget to like these videos, comment, and then subscribe.